6 a.m. in the morning. सुबह के 6 बज गए हैं. We are in the Udaipur city and right now I'm in the park near City Palace. Yesterday we were not able to take the drone shots. Drone shot ਲੈ ਨਹੀਂ ਸਕੇ ਅਸੀਂ, ਰਾਤ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਸੀ. ਸੋ ਅਸੀਂ ਹੁਣ ਪਬਲਿਕ ਪਾਰਕ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਏ ਹਾਂ. ਅਸੀਂ ਟਰਾਈ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਡਰੋਨ ਸ਼ਾਟ ਲੈ ਲਈਏ. We are just next to the lake and I can see the City Palace in front of me. इधर करिए पेड़ा की नहीं ऐसे करो 1 2 3 स्माइल. We are done with our drone shots. ਅਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੇ drone shot ਲੈ ਲਿਆ. Everything went quite well. I hope you guys will enjoy because the scenes everywhere here, they are super beautiful. Like the shots we captured, it's amazing. And we will use these shots in the vlogs as well as in this video you are watching. Thanks for all the love. See you in the next video.